How to get a refund on Carwa Go application. First, if you have any kind of bad experience while using the application, you might want to troubleshoot your problem on the official website. Go to your browser and tap on the search bar. And here you want to search for Carwa Go refund policy and simply tap on the official website over here. Doing so, you want to tap on accept. And here you want to scroll down all the way until you see an option called help and frequently asked questions. Simply tap on it, and here you can address your problem if you had a membership issues, purchase issue, or any kinds of issues over here. If you want to simply contact to the support team, you'll be able to do that over here as well. Here you want to type in all your informations, and here on the comment or questions section you want to explain your problem and appeal for a refund. And if your appeal is valid with all the correct informations, you might even be able to get a refund. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down.